Hey guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on battle.net. So guys, if you want to add your friends to your battle.net account, guys, you can easily add friends here and it's very easy to do. On the upper right hand side, you will see a profile head with a plus and you just need to hover over it and you just need to click on it and it says add a friend. Click on this and from here, you just need to know their email address or their battle tag. And I'm gonna go ahead and make up something here. I don't know who's there. I don't have any friends yet, but let's say I want to do someone called, let's say Tony. Let's see if there's any Tony there. Let's say that's the Tony guy that I want to add, right? And let's say it's Tony 22. Let's say that's that guy's name. I really don't know if we have any, but if there was anyone with this name, then we'll be able to find that person here and we can add them, right? So that's how you can basically do it. Well, there's no one who had the name of Tony, guys, but you get the general idea. So we can say maybe Louise, I don't know as well, but you get the general idea. Once you have a friend, let's say their battle tag or their email address, you can enter it here and you can send that request, right? So it will find them if it exists. And once that is there, then you can send them the request. Alternatively, guys, you can also switch to the Facebook and you can find friends on the Facebook. So if you click on that, it's going to open up your Facebook account. And as you can see here, it's going to take you right over to this section here where you were able to, let's say, continue the process with the Facebook and you can search for friends and you will be able to add those friends in. But that's it. There's two ways how to go about doing it, through the Facebook, or you can easily go ahead and do that by searching for friends using their email address or their tags. But that's it.